We built this tree house 10 years ago, my son and I, and we've had railings on the deck all the way around for 10 years. And when we first put it up, we didn't strip the bark, we didn't pressure treat them, we didn't do anything, and they lasted 10 years. So today what we're doing is we're going to strip the bark off some rails and reinstall them, and hopefully it'll last another 10 years.
And what do you got?
I believe this is hickory.
Drawing knife.
Oh. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is. I always called it ironwood, but I think it might be young hickory. It's hard, I know that.
Scraping all the bark off with a drawing knife.
And we've done this many times before. At least I have. Various things. Made furniture. Made our bed.
You got it clamped in the back of the tractor.
Doesn't take long. Old school draw knife. Got the job done.
Alrighty, so we are back at the treehouse. Here's the pile of logs we got all cleaned up. I got my ladder. See that there? Next thing to do, I gotta climb up their ways. I gotta take all the old screws down. So you get to join me as I do that. Should be fun. Alright, strip the ladder. There's the old screws where the old support joists, like that one there, was attached. I just gotta back them out. All right, well, that was all kinds of fun. So what I did is I used impact drill to take out these screws. The hard part was that the terrain around the bottom of the treehouse ain't level. Swing you around so you can see here. All right, so try to give you a perspective here. This is level, and that's what I had to put the ladder up on. It pretty much is just the bank of the creek. So you can see, not exactly smooth terrain for the ladder, and it's about 14 or so feet up to where I was. Yeah, so that's the underside of the treehouse there, so everybody knows what we're looking at. Okay, so the next step, once Dad gets back with the carriage bolts, we're going to take all these branches that we did up earlier. There you go. Cut them up to length, and then start putting them across here. So, stay posted. All right. It's right.
42 inches.
You want the big side down, obviously, I guess. 4 and 6. I need a bigger hole up there for this. You know? We need a bigger hole up there for this to go into. So yeah, we have to carve a bigger hole in the decking. The hole's not that big. See? Yep. So you want to do that? Get upstairs.
How wide is this? About 3 inches.
That big.
That big.
All right, I got the rails up. Putting down the top rail here. Just like that. Yep.
Go ahead and give me the camera on it. I'll drive a screw in from the.
Drill and screw it.
There's already a pre-drilled hole on the edge of that from the old one.
Mm-hmm.
go ahead and put another screw in the edge. Got the screws in my pocket in there, so.
If the screw's under it.
Nope, on the other side. Oh, that didn't work. On the other side of that post, there's a hole.
Oh, I see. There's a green that went all the way through.
Yep.
Is that going to be in the way then?
No, that should just hold it up.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to be able to pull this over a little ways like that, so I want the hole right about here, right in the knot. Good.
I'll give you the other drill. There you are. Contact.
That one.
There we go. Let's do the same with these two.
Say cheese.
Jeez, you're all done. With this one piece anyways. We got it screwed in here. Across the rail. And screw down each one with the wire stapled on. Better than the rotten wood that was there.
For sure.
We are 1/3 of the way. I'm going to do the back and the other side. Which I'm not looking forward to because the ground is very uneven. All right, we're all done. Just putting the final touches on it. This handrail all the way down, around the bend. Stapling the wires on. on the porch. Just a little jog to the side of the treehouse. Show you a nice view out here. Here's what we got. That's the outhouse. Swing set in front of the smoker. Fire pit. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.
Whew, that was a tough job.
Yep.
We got her though.
Good day's work.
Good for another 10, 15 years.
If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and share us to anybody you think might like what we do.